So I finally have the Microsoft Surface Duo. This is a device I've had on my wish list from the moment it was announced. Now I have mine. I've literally watched every review on YouTube on the Surface Duo, and I picked it up for just under $700. What is up, guys? My name is Izzy and welcome to the channel. So yeah, I now have the Microsoft Surface Duo, a device I've really been interested in right from the moment it was announced. I really like this device. The form factor appeals to me. I could not get it because of the launch price and the fact that it was not available globally, but I really wanted to get it. So when I saw it was just under $700, significantly lower than half its launch price, I could not pass up the opportunity. As you can see, I just got it. I have not unboxed it, so this is going to be more of an unboxing, setup and impressions video on the Microsoft Surface Duo. So let's get right to it. So here we go. Let me just take this off. Look at that beauty. Wow. You actually are not going to understand exactly how this device feels until you have it in your hands. I've watched a lot of videos here, but then you actually really need to hold this in your hands to understand exactly how it feels. Let me just unwrap this. Wow. That hardware is something else. Whoa, look at that hinge. This device is nothing but premium, just premium hardware. It's best explained when you hold it in your hands. This doesn't feel like a device you're not going to love at all. The hardware is on point, and holding it right now, man, I didn't expect the feeling to be this amazing. Alright, let's put this on the side and let's just see the rest of the items in the box. The Surface Duo bumper. I'm going to attach this later. I'll probably get the graphite bumper. This is user guide. It should be the USB cable, type C to type C. Thick one. That's cool. And this is a charging brick. Nice. I don't think you all need to see this. You guys have pretty much seen all from all the videos on the internet what's in the box, so I'm the only one that is experiencing it for the first time right here. Time to put this aside. I mean, this hardware is really premium. I don't think premium even describes it. You actually have to hold it in your hands to understand what I mean. I've seen videos, I've seen a lot of videos, probably all the videos on YouTube, and I actually thought I would know exactly how it feels, but holding it right now, I love this device. I really love this device. Alright, no need to glue it around. Let me just power it on. Okay, so I'm going to go and update and set this up and come back. So we're back. Set up took quite a while because it bombarded me with software updates, at least 5 of them. There have been a couple of software updates since launch because the device was buggy initially, and I think I had to install all those updates to get up to date on the device to fix any bugs that may have been before with a new device. And so far I've not experienced any issues since I set it up. I'm going to have to spend a little more time with it and see how it adapts to my workflow, or see how I adapt to the Microsoft Surface Duo. I like how both screens interact. I am loving the experience so far, and with a few more days, maybe a week or two, I'm going to give a proper review on Microsoft Surface Duo and my experience so far with it. The hinge is magnificent, and like I said before, you really have to hold this device to understand just how well this was built. So slim, beautiful looking display. I don't mind the bezels. I know a lot of people complain about them, but I really don't mind at all. I'm going to do some customizations, see how well I can customize this device. I'm going to load it with the apps I use and use it as best as I can. Having watched tons of reviews, I know this software will not be perfect. I don't expect it to be, and since it doesn't have Android 11 yet, I understand that. I think it needs to be well optimized since we are on Android 10 and we still have a couple of bugs, which I am yet to experience, and will probably experience a few, but I believe there are things I could live with. I'm actually excited to have this device. I didn't buy it for testing, I bought it because I'm going to be using it long term. So if there's anything specific you want to check out with the Microsoft Surface Duo, you let me know. I'll put that in mind for my review. I like the idea of having two screens working individually and being able to do two different things on either screens, which is very good for productivity. I won't have to use the back button as frequently as I used to with a single screen device. So let's just see how it goes. Microsoft Surface Duo. Sorry, this is not a proper review. It's just an unboxing and setup and first impressions. And my impressions, I love it so far. After spending much time with it, I'll give you my thoughts in a proper review. So, peace.